Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable password sync in Zen Browser with this complete 2026 guide. If you're looking for a setting to sync your saved passwords across multiple devices, this video will explain what is currently available in Zen Browser. First, open Zen Browser on your computer and click the menu button in the top right corner. Next, open Settings and use the search box to search for password or sync. You can also browse through the available settings to check whether a password synchronization option is included. As you can see, this version of Zen Browser does not provide a built-in password sync feature. There is no option to turn on password synchronization, and there isn't a setting that allows you to sync saved passwords between different devices. This isn't an error with your browser. It simply means that the version you're using does not support password sync at the moment. Since the feature isn't available, there are no additional settings to configure or enable. If the Zen Browser developers introduce password sync in a future update, you'll likely be able to sign in with a browser account and securely sync your saved passwords across all your devices. Until then, password synchronization isn't supported in this version of Zen Browser. So if you were searching through the settings and couldn't find a password sync option, that's completely expected. The feature is simply not included in the current version of the browser. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope this guide helped you understand why the password sync option isn't available in Zen Browser. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Zen Browser tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.